Because of the rapidly changing world, people are ditching traditional jobs and turning to the internet to kickstart their careers. It's a great way to supplement your salary, but it can also be a place where you can find permanent full-time employment. Therefore, in today's video, I'll talk to you about some of the best online career opportunities in 2022 and beyond. Hopefully, you'll find something that catches your eye. And if you're interested, you can download my free guide on how to make money online. 1. Online tutor. Do you know how many online tutors there are in the United States? Me neither. You know why? Because there are way too many to count. If you have a professional background in English, any foreign language, physics or maths, this might be a great role for you. Make sure to have this covered before you apply, because most businesses and employment sites demand instructors to have a bachelor's degree. Having teaching credentials in ESL or any other topic might increase your chances of landing a job as an online instructor. Whether you desire to work full-time or part-time, online teaching jobs are a common option to do so. There is a huge need for information, and because of the power of the internet, you can educate pupils all over the world. 2. Social media marketing. The best aspect of social media marketing is that you don't necessarily need any prior experience to get started. It's a great way to move to an online career. With social media, you could begin small and move up the ladder. However, if you have experience in managing or posting to social media, especially on marketing teams, you won't have any problem getting any kind of online employment. Businesses are always looking for help with advertising their goods on websites like Facebook, Instagram, and others. Additionally, businesses will require assistance managing their social media communities. This includes reading through comments, replying to inquiries, participating in online discussion, and answering messages. The advantage of this job is that one can work from anywhere. All you have to do is learn the brand's voice and make sure you hit the company's goal. 3. Personal trainer. Being a personal trainer sounds kind of fun, don't you think? Fitness lovers may convert their hobby into a side business and an internet career if they have a strong educational background and a thorough understanding of safe work methods. Literally anyone may work as a personal trainer. By using social media and online coaching platforms, you can build your business and train customers from all over the world. You can also quickly expand your business by utilizing internet clients, particularly word of mouth. Oh, and by the way, personal trainers are paid quite well. A session could go for $70 depending on your own reputation. 4. Virtual assistant. For this next one, the job doesn't require specific skills. Virtual assistants are becoming very popular. All you need to be a virtual assistant is a basic skill set and an organizational sense. A virtual assistant spends most of their day behind a computer replying to emails, making phone calls, booking flights, and handling email. Numerous virtual assistants work a few hours each week, but others may work full-time. For folks who are juggling many jobs or family obligations while still needing to make ends meet, this career works nicely. In contrast, if you build up experience in these jobs over time, they may also be highly rewarding. Virtual assistants are paid $10 to $35 an hour. Sounds like easy money, don't you think? If you'd like more information on all these areas and more, make sure to get the free guide down below. 5. Recruiter. Time really does fly by fast, doesn't it? Just a few short years ago, recruiters were working from office cubicles. Now, not so much. Many recruiters are working totally online, with more flexible hours and locations. And for $40 per hour, I think that's a good deal. The good news is that you don't need to have any special training to be a recruiter. As a recruiter, you'll most likely be in charge of conducting the initial phone interview with candidates to assist the company in pre-screening applications. You will then forward the best candidates to the company for recruiting purposes. 6. Email marketer. If you've been told you've got away with words, writing snappy and engaging emails to clients may be the perfect match for you. Email marketing entails crafting engaging subject lines and email content. Businesses will spend a lot of money on campaigns for email marketing in order to generate revenue online. This is one of those roles you do require experience and credentials for, particularly in the fields of content creation and marketing. You can aim to secure long-term contracts to work on email marketing for businesses if you can show that you have the capacity to persuade recipients to open or read the email. Normally, email marketers can be paid $30 to $40 an hour. Pretty snazzy, don't you think? 7. Data entry worker. Data entry jobs are a common way to earn money from the convenience of your own home, either part-time or full-time. Your job will require you to enter alphabetic, numeric, or symbolic data into a certain system. Even though this kind of online employment might not sound very enjoyable, if you work quickly, you could earn a respectable salary. Furthermore, you may even complete data entry jobs on any schedule, using online Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. On a large enough scale, you may earn a fair living with this job, especially if you're creative. 8. Content writing. The positions available for content writers online are literally countless. If you're a decent writer, not only will you have multiple opportunities, you'll also have so many options to pick from. For example, you could create material for a variety of blogs, publications, journals, and the list can go on. Freelance writing can also pay very well, because there's a high need for authors as organizations develop their material for viewers. You will, however, need experience in content writing or marketing, as well as strong interest in the subject matter. Working as a technical writer on a freelance basis in the IT field might be much more profitable if you have technical expertise. If penning literature isn't what excites you about this job, maybe the pay will. Experienced writers can be paid upwards of $100 an hour. 9. Customer Service Representative. These days, a lot of customer care agents work remotely. There's plenty of opportunities for those with great written and verbal communication skills. Now, if you do decide to work as a customer service agent, you should be aware that you will probably need to go through weeks of brand-specific training before you get your hands dirty. This is so that you can understand the specifics of the company, like how they handle certain inquiries. You will be able to choose a timetable for yourself from a range of shifts throughout the course of a day. If you love talking to people and have a quiet place to take phone calls, this job could be the one for you. 10. Transcriptionist. Transcriptionists may be a good choice for those searching for an online career with a lot of freedom and very little previous knowledge. Your job will be to listen to audio recordings and type them down word for word, in text. Of course, anyone can do this work, but it's a lot simpler if you can type swiftly and pay close attention to detail. Not many individuals choose to work as transcriptionists since it may be challenging for extended periods of time, but if you have lightning-quick typing abilities, it can be a steady source of money for people of all skill levels. 11. Chat agent. If you're someone who's already spending hours on end texting away on their phone, being a chat agent is your calling. Chat agents, like customer service representatives, don't require much of a specialized skill set to begin their roles. If you're not one for talking to strangers, an online chat agent is a great alternative to a customer service representative. Chat agents will operate online to provide firms with customer service via text-based chat choices. In many cases, you'll be handling numerous conversations at once for many hours. If you don't have a private workspace and/or if you currently spend a lot of time in front of a computer, a chat agent career could be a suitable fit for you. 12. Graphic designer. If you have an eye for design, working as a graphic designer will be a good pick for you. With a special background in design, working online as a graphic designer can be a profitable online job with scalable opportunities. A key competency for graphic designers: a solid working knowledge of Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Many firms turn to graphic designers for assistance with creating marketing campaigns, redesigning website components, and other tasks. 13. Photographer. Most people would argue that stock photography isn't an internet profession because it's done physically, but that's not entirely the case. If you have pictures laying around your hard drive, you could sell them on the internet. Assuming you took these images outside of the contract, you can browse through your archives and sell them online. There are several internet marketplaces such as iStock, where you may sell your images. 14. Bookkeeper. Do you have a passion for finance? Do you enjoy maintaining your own budget? If so, take accounting into account. Most businesses require the assistance of bookkeepers to track and manage their accounts. Invoicing customers, keeping track of income and spending, and creating financial reports are all things that bookkeepers do. Contact nearby companies or go through the websites listed below the hourly pay range to locate your first online bookkeeping job. 15. Freelance writer. Writing for a living may be done anywhere, including from home. You may look at careers in technical writing, ghostwriting, copywriting, or content writing. You'll need a specialization for the greatest outcomes, since it will help you become more informed about your subject and enable you to create a more persuasive pitch. You can look for freelance work in a few different ways. Making a profile on a website for freelancers like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru, or Freelancer is one approach. Additionally, you might look for job openings on websites like FlexJobs, Blogging Pro, and Pro Blogger. These are just a handful of the online possibilities available this year and in the future. If you don't yet have a job, you should consider applying for one of these positions. The majority of these positions are paid on an hourly basis. Making money while enjoying a cappuccino on your comfy sofa sounds fantastic, doesn't it? Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that thumbs up if any of these tips work for you. Until next time, take care.